Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see how to cover the corporate funding and listing subject of module 3 of CS professional exam. So we have divided the entire chapters of this subject into three categories, that is A category, B category and C category, depending upon the marks and importance of the chapters. So first of all, I would like to recommend you that if you haven't taken any classes for this subject, you are going to find it hard to study on yourself, but you can refer the marathon videos of Shubham sir. It's very helpful. I've referred them and they were very nice, and the notes of sir were also very helpful for the last time revision, and the marathon videos are really very helpful, so do refer them and score good marks. So guys, in A category, first of all we have listing in Indian stock exchanges, and it comprises of around 20 marks, and it has 46 to 50 pages in the module. So first study will take you around 8 hours to make the notes and go through the chapter, and then we will do the international listing. I have notes for international listing. If you need the notes, then do tell me. I will send you the notes if you need, and I prepared it very systematically, and it will reduce your time. So if you want that, I'll send you up. And international listing is very important topic. It covers around 15 to 20 marks. So it is not a lengthy chapter, but you have to mug up a lot of things in this chapter, and everything in this chapter is important, so you cannot skip any portion of it. And so it will take you around 2 to 4 hours in the first study. So coming to the next, Indian equity public funding, it comprises of around 15 marks weightage in the exam, and it has around 72 pages. So it's a lengthy chapter, but it has huge weightage, so you have to give around 12 hours in the first study. And then coming to the B category, first try to complete the A category chapters which are of initial high weightage, and then move on to the B category, that is debt funding Indian fund based chapter, that is of 10 marks, and Indian नॉन फंड बेस्ड फॉरेन फंडिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड अदर बोरिंग टूल्स में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसमें शॉर्ट नोट्स आते हैं बहुत सारे. So then try to cover the part B, and then move on to miscellaneous topics, that is infrastructure, investment trust, REIT, securitization. इसमें से 5-5 मार्क्स के आते हैं क्वेश्चंस, एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन से भी हर टाइम 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है ऑलमोस्ट. सो देन यू ट्राई टू कवर अप these chapters, and it all in all it will take you around 60 hours or 80 hours of self study to cover this subject. And please do solve sums, practical numerical sums of this subject, which are being asked for around 10 to 15 marks, which are straight and easy questions, and which will help you in passing the exam and also in getting aggregate for the group. So in this way you can cover the entire corporate funding and listing subject for module 3, and then other two subjects for module 3 are open book exam, so you won't have much trouble in passing module 3 if you cover this subject very nicely. So in this way you can cover the subject, and thank you guys for watching the video. Bye bye.